how to get help or support if encounter problem with ExpressVPN. Now, if you encounter any problem or issue while using ExpressVPN, you can reach out to their customer support team for assistance. Here's how you can do it. So ExpressVPN provide a comprehensive online support center on the website where you can find answer to common questions, troubleshooting guides, steps, tutorials, and more. You can visit the website and support section to access these resources. So open up a browser on the web address bar, type in www.expressvpn.support. So when you find this option that says expressvpn.support, after that you can just go ahead and type in, or just live chat with the customer support team, and you can state about the issue. This is not a convenient method, then you can also try emailing the team. So you can send simple email details of your issues or question to their support email address, and members of their team will respond to you as soon as possible. And apart from it, you also have this option to submit a ticket. So if your issue requires further investigation or escalations, you can submit a ticket through the ExpressVPN website, provide detailed information about your problem, and their support team will work to resolve it for you. So these are some of the ways to get help or support if encounter problem with ExpressVPN. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.